this winter storm that has now hit the U.S. As we're looking at casualties that have also been reported, at least 10 people have died, and several of the families who have now been left without power. The pictures that are now coming in from D.C. with a powerful winter storm sweeping across United States has killed nearly 10 people and left nearly 1 million without power as freezing conditions persisted. And this is the storm that has prompted widespread travel disruption, including mass flight cancellations and warning to motorists to stay off icy roads, while at least 20 states and Washington, D.C. has now declared a state of emergency. As far as New York mayor has also said that 5 people were found dead outdoors over the weekend in sub-zero temperatures there, and this is the danger of extreme cold and the winter storm, as it is also being witnessed in Texas, where the authorities have confirmed 3 deaths, and this has now been reported. As far as the trackers are also concerned, more than 840,000 customers were without electricity, and this seems to be the hardest hit areas that we are speaking of, where the storm has now intensified over the weekend in Tennessee as well. The ice brought down the power lines that have left more than 300,000 people in the dark, and businesses also being affected. And this seems to be, as far as officials there have warned, of an Arctic air mass that seems to be trailing in the system that would be keeping the temperatures dangerously low for days, prolonging travel and infrastructure disruptions. All right, with that, we head into a very short break. The morning news are coming up on the other side.